Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. And this episode is really exciting because today we are announcing our 10,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway. So some of the items that you see here will be included in the giveaway. So a couple of the larger items includes the electric kettle that I use all the time, my coffee grinder, spice grinder that I use all the time, and that you guys see me using in different videos. We are also going to give away one of the top prizes. Just one of the top prizes is going to be a dehydrator. We have a couple of other big prizes that we're giving away. And everything that you see here is going to be given away, well, except for my little name thing there. So we're giving away some Thrive food. We're giving away some debubblers, of course. These debubblers with our canning logo on them. Going to be giving away quite a few sets of canning lids, measuring spoons, some canning funnels that you guys don't see here, other canning equipment like jar lifters and stuff like that, and a couple of canning books if I can get my hands on them. Trying to get a couple of ball canning books to give you guys. So I'm going to tell you the date has been pushed back a little bit. So instead of having it today, which is when I wanted to have it, which is Saturday, we will be having it this coming Wednesday at 1 o'clock my time, Pacific Standard Time. So if you're Eastern, it will be 4 o'clock. It'll be a live. You must be present to win on this particular giveaway. So I'm going to do something different for the people who cannot be there, but the bigger prizes are going to be for those who can. So eligibility. To be eligible to win, you must be a subscriber. You have to go back and the way we're going to be doing this to all of my new viewers is what I do is in each video I make, I do a word of the day. And it's hashtag WOTD that you'll see in the title of all of the videos that will be a part of this, or that are a part of my giveaway. So I will be going back to all of those videos and including January, February, March, up until this coming Tuesday. So a little bit into April's videos. And I know I don't have that many videos for April, but all of those videos from the last 3 months plus April are going to be included for the word of the day. Not all of the videos will have a winner. I'm going to select certain videos from each week. So be sure you go back and listen for the word of the day in each video that has hashtag WOTD. Comment that word in the comment section. Each video has its own unique word. Some videos do have the same word, or could have the same word in maybe a video that had the same thing a month or two ago. So I know all of the word of the days. I have them all written down, and I will choose a random video, and then we'll do the random comment picker through YouTube, and we'll choose a winner that way. So in the future, we're going to have a mail-in giveaway. I have a P.O. box you guys can find on my About page, and you don't have to do that now. It'll probably be for next month for May, June's giveaways. But we are going to have a mail-in giveaway because I know that not everybody can be live on the giveaways. In the live stream, I have people all over the world now that I'm really excited to say that are subscribers, and I want everybody to be included as much as possible. So these bigger, so for the USA, you guys are all eligible. For Canada, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. My husband and I haven't quite figured that out yet, but you'll get the equivalent. Either an Amazon gift card, or if I can send it to you, I will, if it won't cost an arm and a leg to send it. For those out of the USA and Canada, you will get a gift card sent to you for certain things and we'll work all of that out. So the canning bubblers, things like that, I can send no problem to everywhere. They're not that expensive to send. So we'll work all that out, and I want as many people to win as possible. There's going to be lots of winners. So you need to go back and comment the word of the day. You need to be a subscriber. You need to like that video. And if you would share the video, let's add even more people to this if we can. We are already up to 11,300 subscribers. So we have surpassed the 10,000 subscribers, my goal, by 1,300 people already. So my next goal is to reach 15,000, and then we'll have another big giveaway. And then after that, we'll have a bigger giveaway at 20,000. My channel, thanks to all of you guys, has grown exponentially, and I am so proud. My Creative Canners membership is growing. For those of you who don't know, I have a little join button next to the subscribe button. I do have a membership to my channel, and there's different tiers. It starts, I think, at $2.99 a month. It's not very much. It's just a way for you to show support for my channel. And we will be having special giveaways next week for members only for that. So there are certain prizes that I'm saving just for my members, and we'll be doing a separate live giveaway for that. I'm not sure of the date. I can't give you guys a specific date past Wednesday right now. Y'all know my husband had a work accident, and we've been dealing with that. So I have not been on here very much at all. But I do want to get this out there and start giving away things. I know in my videos I've been picking random people and having them contact me. So random people have been winning things for the last couple months that I have not been doing these giveaways. I know I'm behind on the last giveaway I did, and I really apologize. We have had one thing after another kind of hit us. Just had to have my windshield fixed yesterday because we had a rock hit it and a cracked windshield. So that's finally fixed. So we're getting there, but I don't even have a garden going yet, you guys. And here it is, April, and that's unheard of for me. So we'll be doing videos coming up, and we'll hopefully get back to my regular schedule that I want to do with weekly videos for both my members and then regular subscribers. So right now, this is just to announce our giveaway. I want to make this really short. This is how you enter. This is how you're eligible to win, and I will have the video for the live stream set as a premiere, or as a live stream. This way you guys can set reminders and stuff, so you can do that. It probably won't be up until tomorrow, but it will be next Wednesday at 2 o'clock my time, or 1 o'clock my time, sorry. So I will see you guys soon, and these are only some of the prizes. So some of the prizes I'm not giving away. I'm not giving away what I'm giving away, let me put it that way. So there's going to be a word of the day on this particular video as well, and it's just going to be giveaway. That's the word of the day. So just to show you guys how to do this, comment the word of the day in the comments below, which is just write giveaway, or you can write it in a sentence, whatever you want. Like the video, make sure you're a subscriber. That is the main thing. So even though our channel has grown so much, I still have like 85% of you guys watching that are not subscribed. So you have to be subscribed to be eligible to win. I want to make this fair for everybody. So I will be checking to see if you're subscribed or not. I hate to do that, but I need to, because it's not fair to my regular subscribers. So if you're not subscribed and your name is called for something, you're not going to win that prize, you guys. And that's happened before in the past. So I want this to be fair for all my subscribers. That's what this is for. So look forward to that big giveaways. I told you guys this would be worth the wait, and I promise it will. There's quite a few prizes I am not mentioning here. I want you guys to be completely surprised when I announce them on Wednesday. And I think you'll like them. So I will see you guys soon. Have a great weekend, and stay safe, everybody.